tayo, may secret tayo ngayon. So, gagawin, secret natin, groupings. Kumbaga, kung naman kayo, dalawang babae sa isang grupo, dalawang lalaki. So, let's start this. Okay, this is only the secret. This is the problem. The population of mosquitoes in certain area increases at a rate proportional to the current population. And in the absence of other factors, the population doubles each week. There are 200,000 mosquitoes per day. Determine the population of mosquitoes in that area at any time. Okay, let's start within 13 minutes.
Yung solution po dito, let T equals 1 week or 7 days. So yung YSOP natin, 200,000 mosquitoes sa 1 day lang siya. So ito times natin siya 7 days kasi week yung sinasabi dito dun sa population. Then, equals 1,400,000. Para makuha yung initial population, dinivide natin siya sa 2. So 700,000 yung mosquito na nagdodokos per day. So, ito na yung solution. Y sub t equals 200,000 y sub 0 e raised to k times 1. Then, yung initial natin, 700,000. Tapos yung t equals 0. 700,000 equals y sub t. E raised to 0 equals 1 na yun. So, ang sagot, ang initial natin, 700,000. Then, para makuha yung K, yung may saksi natin dito na per week na 1,400,000 and 700,000 i-raised to K times 1 day. Then K, ln of 1 million divided by 700,000 raised to 1. Ito yun. Then K equals 0.69315. So, yun na yung ang sagot dito, y sub 0 equals 700,000 e raised to 0.69315 times t.
Very good. Okay, class. See you next meeting.